I have a very affordable gaming headset for you. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadgetbeard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have Esca AirJoy Plus, a ultralight gaming headset, available for $35.99. You can currently pick it up in the description below. So, quick specs right off the bat. This is a mobile gaming headset, I believe is what they're advertising, but you can also use it with a PC, PlayStation 4 and 5, Nintendo Switch, laptop, Macs, smartphones, and I believe an Xbox. So let's look at some specs here. They say it's ultra light, type C USB, environmental noise cancellation, 7.1 surround sound, protein earmuffs, I don't know what that is, and a breathing light. The light breathes. I'm pretty sure it pulses is what they meant. But without further ado, let's see what we get for $35. You get a Bring Tech to Life manual. Now you do got a little wind muff here for your mic, and you do have a extension for your cable, and the headset itself. Now these are not wireless. You do have to connect these type C. Bam. But that's why you can't connect them to Xbox, as Xbox doesn't have a type C charging port. So let's take a quick look at these. Now they look pretty good. They don't feel cheap, but $35, you know what you're talking about. They do have metal bands there, so they're not gonna break on you easily. And the mic itself, it's nice and flexible, does not disconnect, so you cannot disconnect the mic. Looking at the type C, so you do have a type C, and you do get an extender if you absolutely need to extend. You go ahead and plug this here, and then bam, you can plug in your USB to wherever you want to connect, whether it be computer. Maybe this will work with the Xbox, I'm not quite sure, but let's go ahead and unplug that. And you do have a little, I think, mic cover here that is kind of hard to put on. Let's get this bad boy on here. Let's get this mic cover, and voila, it is on there. Pretty good. But like they said, you can use these for your mobile game, and I would buy these for mobile games, something that you want to just take with you and stuff. But let me go ahead and plug this into the Note 20, and it does recognize it right off the bat. It says do not disturb. Let's see. And they light up, as you can see. They do pulse like they're saying, and this is just coming from my mobile phone. But let me put these on and let's do some Call of Duty real quick. They do feel nice. They're pretty light, like they mentioned, but let's go ahead and do some Call of Duty and see how it sounds. You do have volume control here on the side, so you do have a mic and mute button there, and volume control up and down here, and as you can see, the pulsating lights. Other than that, that's all you get. Esca branding there. But let's see how they sound. Bam, look at that. Can you see my thing pulsating? The only negative thing is about this cord, but if you want to take these for mobile gaming and then just have them in your car, or have them in a backpack, they're not too bad. They are lightweight, so it's pretty cool. Let's see if we can do some mobile gaming with these. I brand these the official COD mobile game headset. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm waiting for this to finish downloading to see what's up. But $35. Let's see what we get for $35. Anyways, guys, let's wrap this up. This was relatively quick, fast video, but the quality of the sound, the 7.1 surround sound, is there. While I was playing COD mobile, you can kind of hear if the opponent was on your right or your left side or coming around you. This picks it up pretty well. For $35, I'm surprised it even has that feature. Now, the sound of these, I did play some music just in case you just want to use them as regular headphones. And it's pretty loud. They get pretty loud. They're pretty good actually. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about this Esca headset here. Not a bad deal for $35. These light up, as you can see, they're lighting up. Don't get better than that. Very simple. Volume control there, mute there, mic. It doesn't come on. It doesn't unplug from the headset unit itself. Very lightweight, flexible. They do have metal bands there, so I want to say it is durable. But there you have it, guys. The Esca AirJoy Plus, $35.99. If you're interested in these, make sure you hit up that link in the description of this video. And if you're not interested, let me know why you think they suck. Obviously, if you're not interested in them, why would you think they're great? Or anyways, just let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.